just in case this is the first video that you're watching, I wanted to let you know that I went into full detail on how to graph these systems of linear inequalities in the first two videos. So if I don't give you enough detail in this one, then go back and watch that first, watch the first two. So as I said in the last video, we want to solve for y every single time we graph these inequalities, because we want to make sure we're shading the correct side of the line. So as long as we solve for y, we're going to subtract x from both sides, and we get y is greater than negative x plus 2. And solving for y here, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides, and I'm going to get negative y is greater than negative 2x plus 1. But I need to make sure I divide everything by negative 1, which is going to give me a y on the left. And don't forget, whenever you divide both sides by a negative 1, you've got to flip the direction of the inequality symbol. And I get negative 2 over negative 1 is 2x, and then positive 1 over negative 1 is minus 1. This is much easier to know what side of the lines to shade, so that's why we did that. Now, the first one, y is greater than negative x plus 2. I'm going to draw the line y equals negative x plus 2. So we have a y-intercept of 2, a slope of negative 1. We connect the dots with a dashed line. We got to do it dashed because we only have a greater than symbol there. We don't have a also, it's not also equal to, so this will be the border of that region, and dashed because of that symbol right there. And it says y is greater than, so we're going to shade from the line up. And shading from the line up, it's kind of up to the right. All of that region is the solution set, so all the set of ordered pairs that make the first inequality true. The second one, we have a y-intercept of negative 1, slope of up 2 and over 1. Up 2 and over 1, I could draw another dot, but I don't need to. So I'll use these two. And again, we're going to look at the symbol first, and we're going to draw it dashed because it's just less than. And less than means we go from the line, we go down because of the less than symbol. So if we go down, then we're going to shade below the line. And when we shade below the line, it should be pretty clear where the overlapping region is. And the overlapping region, again, is the region of ordered pairs that make both of the inequalities true. The blank region is the set of ordered pairs that don't make either of those inequalities true.